Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Teacher Jess once again and welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys ay gagawa tayo ng tutorial about how to make distribution scheme. So distribution scheme is napaka-importante when we are distributing learning materials to our learners. And guys, I would like to share na kanina we are looking for distribution scheme template. So since na walang distribution scheme, so I just made my own distribution scheme. So i-share ko sa inyo mga guys kung paano ko siya ginawa. And itong distribution scheme ko mga guys is entitled distribution of books to grade 4 since yung hinahandle ko na grade is grade 4. Ayan, so without further ado, I can have the tutorial for you and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are updated of the videos that I am posting and share nyo na rin para makatulong din sa iba. Okay, so that's all guys. So let's have the tutorial. Ayan, so ganito ko siya ginawa guys. So syempre, yung paggawa ko nito is meron talaga siyang heading. Ayan, so nilagay ko dyan yung heading para meron na kayong ilalagay na heading. So yung heading ko dito is Department of Education, Region 6 Western Visayas, Division of, District of, or ano yung name ng yung school and address of your school. So nakadepende na sa inyo guys kung ano yung ilalagay nyo dyan na heading ninyo. Pero ito yung heading ko. And then, meron tayong side-by-side logo. Ayan. So, pwede nyong ilagay dito sa right yung logo nyo. And then, dito sa left is yung kagawaran ng edukasyon or Department of Education. So, meron tayong logo both sides. Then, the heading. So, unahin natin ang heading. So, erase muna natin tong heading. So, lagay natin dito, Department of Education, Region 6, Western Visayas, Division of Capiz. Just like for example, District of, lagay natin dito is, Repas. Ayan. District of Repas. Halimbawa lang na lugar. The name of school is, just like for example pa rin, is Agtay. Yan. So, Agtay Elementary School. Then, ano yung address ng school? Ayan. So, kayo nang bahala dyan maglagay ng inyong heading. So, next is yung distribution scheme for grade 4 pupils. So, sabi ko kanina, it's all about the books na i-release ko or i-distribute ko sa aking mga learners. So, parang for me, distribution scheme is parang step siya kung paano mo sa kanila ma-distribute yung learning material. Yan. So, maglalagay ka ng steps mo kung or first thing that you will do, then second step, third, fourth, and so on and so forth. Ganyan. So, parang step siya or something na they need to follow or may guide ka kung paano mo i-distribute yung iyong learning material. So, meron ditong number 1. Number 1 ko dito is arrange their names in alphabetical order. So, syempre, i-arrange yung names nila. Then, write their number on their book according to list of their names. So, once na na-arrange na sila alphabetically or in alphabetical order. So makikita mo dyan merong numbers sa left side ng kanilang name. So ililista nila yung number nila doon sa book. Yan, para makikita mo kung sino yung nag-handle ng book kasi meron namang number. Then number 3 is distribute the books and have their names for it will serve as their attendance. So syempre pag nagdi-distribute ka, so syempre nandyan dapat ang kanilang presensya or presence para mabigay mo yung book sa kanila, and also it will serve as their attendance na pumunta talaga sila at kumuha ng libro. Yan. Then, prepared by. So, syempre, sino yung nag-prepare? So, syempre, ilalagay mo dyan yung pangalan mo. Then, yung sa ilalim ng pangalan mo is yung position or designation. Just like, for example, lagay natin dito. Let's put an example, Felipe T. Tuazon. Yan. Then, halimbawa, yung kanyang position is Teacher 3. Then, at the same time, Advisor. Yan. Ayan guys. So, meron na tayong distribution scheme template. O, diba? Alright. So, that's all guys about my tutorial. I hope that you have learnings about this template. Ayan. So, if you have some questions, just free to comment on my video. Ayan. So, that's all guys. And thank you. So, ganyan lang guys at meron na tayong distribution scheme template. So, if you have questions or queries, just free to comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share para updated ka sa mga videos na aking pinopost, and of course para makatulong na din sa iba. So that's all about our tutorial. So meron na tayong distribution scheme mga guys. And thank you for watching this video. God bless and take care everyone. Bye!